my airspace. It's hailing. So it rained yesterday, it snowed all night, and it's hailing now. That was quite the cloudburst. Mother Nature is amazing. It's very interesting how nothing really lasts for a super long time, but it can cause a lot of damage, in nature. Nature is so powerful. Like when you think about a storm, it doesn't storm really strong and powerful for days. It's like an hour or a half an hour. But the power that's wielded by nature during that 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour is mind-boggling. Yes, 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 yes. Anyway, thank you for joining me in my airspace as I travel around the Pacific Northwest and the Pacific coast, up and down from the border, the southern border to the northern border. Make it a wonderful day. Go out and spend some time in nature. Subscribe to my channel. Give yourself a hug. Give someone else a hug. And tell someone, I love you. I love you.